Okay, let's revise how to make algebraic expressions from statements. Now, you will often see these on exams and tests, and it's important to practice these in your textbooks. Let's just go through a few basic ones just to get your mind into the rhythm. Here we have a statement. It's the sum of a number and 20. Now, we know sum is a plus. A number, let's make it x, and then 20. Okay, so these things you have to break down one step at a time, and you see how easy it actually looks. Let's look at another one. A number multiplied, so that would be a times, by 5, and increased, that would be an addition sign, by 10. So a number, that will make x, multiplied by 5, so that's 5x. And increased, that will be a plus 10. Okay. The difference, we know difference is a minus between a number and 10. The difference, a minus sign, a number, and 10. The square of a number, that's the number, any letter you choose, squared. The product we know is multiplication, of 10 more than, that would be an addition, a number, and 3. So let's look at it again without breaking it up. The product of 10 more than a number and 3. So 10 more than a number is what we're going to look at first, and then we're going to do the product. So there's a number plus 10. We put those into brackets. Okay? And then there's a product that we want out of it. The product of that, which would be a times, and the number they asked for, 3. A product of, so there's product, 10 more than a number, and we put it into brackets, okay, and 3. Okay, let me just declutter it for you so you can see it again. A product of 10 more than a number and 3. Okay, so you've got the rhythm now. You need to practice these. Press subscribe to my channel. I have all the videos from grade 1 up to senior school divided into playlists of topics that you are interested in, and short, quick videos revising rules and how to do things so that you can make yourself into a strong student.